Moghrabieh. A main dish from Georgia. Serves 2. You will need 10 ingredients. Step 1. In a very large skillet, brown the onions in the butter over medium heat. Use a slotted spoon to remove the onions from the skillet and set aside. Step 2. In the same skillet, add the chopped onion and chicken pieces, sauté until onion is tender and the chicken is golden. Add pepper, white pepper, cinnamon and salt, sauté a few minutes more. Step 3. Cover the chicken with water and simmer until done. Chicken should fall easily off of the bone. Using tongs, remove chicken from the skillet. Step 4. Carefully remove the chicken from the bone, set aside and cover to keep warm. Step 5. Add chickpeas and whole onions to the broth in the skillet and simmer. Step 6. Meanwhile, in a separate large saucepan, melt 1/4 cup of butter and fry Moghrabieh in the butter until it begins to take on color. Step 7. Remove the whole onions from the chicken stock, reserve and keep warm. Pour the stock over the Moghrabieh, cook on medium-low heat until done, adding water as needed, approximately 30 minutes. Country Reports, Culture, Countries, Travel.